Alright guys, welcome, and today I want to do a quick video because I just visited an awesome little memorial and I had all my little drones with me. I had the Cheerwing Metal Scout. Let's see what else I had. I had the UFO from China. It's usually an awesome little bird, but you probably want to only fly it inside. It was the one that performed the least well. And then the Hubsan Proto X, and this one also performed. It was all right. These two were roughly the same, honestly. Actually, I was able to control this one a little bit better so long as it wasn't too far up, because the wind would just sort of carry it away. And this one would stay in place very well, stabilized very well, but then whenever I wanted to move, then it would be caught by the wind and it started doing funky stuff, and I couldn't really keep it in the way I wanted it to. So actually the one that worked the best, and again, like, I'm not exactly a huge fan of any of these drones, but I did buy them. And this is the, I think it's SG700. This was the one that was the most controllable. I don't know if it's because it's slightly heavier than the other ones, or it's because it has much larger props. Of course, all my drones are way below the 250 gram FAA limit, so nothing to worry about over there. But yeah, that seems to be the one. This seems to be the one of all of these budget drones that seem to tackle the wind the best. And you've seen, those of you who follow my channel have seen the video where I kind of lose this and it goes out of control and it starts doing floppy things. But that usually only happens if you don't do a proper calibration of, if you don't do a proper calibration or you don't set it up correctly. And for some reason, it's always more stable when you fly this using the app, although the app is useless. And at least with my fat fingers, I just cannot control it with the app. So if you're good at controlling things with apps and you're good at, iPhone or whatever, your fingers don't mess around too much with those things. If you're very good at that, then you will probably be able to fly this thing better on the app than you would be with the sticks. However, I'm more comfortable using sticks, and the apps, I'm trying to slide it and it slides out of place for me. I don't know. I just can't do that. I'm old school. I like physical sticks. So yeah, this is the one that did the best today. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.